We are here at the Ashton Villa house, Galveston Island, Galveston, Texas, right here on Broadway Street. Very active. This house was built in 1859 by James Brown, 3 stories tall. This is the first house that was built on this Broadway Street back in 1859, and this is the first home in Texas that had brick. The first brick structure in the state of Texas. And the brick walls are made 13 inches thick. And we're gonna go walk around. Protected by the Galveston Historical Foundation.
Fun fact, also, when James Brown passed away, his eldest daughter inherited all of his home, his money, and all that. She was a go-getter, and she'd drink her drinks and smoke her cigars and stuff, and she was just known around town that she was going to be out there and doing her thing. Well, it's said that sometimes people have seen her still here smoking cigars or drinking or whatnot and still living it up.
See inside. This is like a little kickoff of their house. I'm sure it's connected, but it seems to be this is the main area, and this is what looks to be like a driveway, I would assume, with a big tree. But I guess a carriage could probably fit under that. And then maybe like a garage or a shed. Not sure. This is haunted though. They said this was a pretty haunted place. These are cool. Little locks. Or a bell. It's a bell, isn't it? You'd ring it and be like ding ding ding. Cool. Ooh, what's this? Goes down here. One thing, this house was built before the flood of 1900. Still the greatest tragedy in the United States, greatest natural disaster. So they raised the island. They dredged in sand from the mainland in the bay, raised it up. We're in the garden. I think it's the same area. Maybe it's just a park. Wow, look at these curtains. Got a fireplace. Look how tall those doors are. And the door handles are like really low to the ground. 1900 storm. That's Hurricane Ike right there. 2008. The doors are cut in half. Whoa. That was weird. I saw my wife's reflection in the mirror there. Look at that painting. What is it? What is that? I wonder if that was original. Now we're coming over to the other side of the house here. Some markings in the concrete. Check out this lamp. Wow. Wowzers. Isn't that cool? That's crazy. I mean, what do you do with a house of this magnitude in 1859?
Like rent it out for parties and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
But it costs like a lot.
Right, and they said that people do they do the ghost stuff here. Like the paranormal teams have visited and stuff. Can you imagine just walking out of that balcony in like, I don't know, 1875 and just looking at Broadway here? And I imagine it'd be like a gravel pavement. And you just probably just say like, you know, cheerio or top of the morning or something like that. Even these gates are just awesome.
Each of the walls, like this is probably an inch longer than a ruler, right? So I bet each of the walls are about this thick because they said it's 13 inches. Right? Wouldn't you think so?
Yeah.